More people are looking for ways to make money online. Besides requiring little to no startup cost, these methods let you work from anywhere on a flexible schedule. Often, all you need to get started is a computer or mobile device and a strong internet connection. Here are some ways that you can make money online. Sell your photos. Do you have photo skills or live in an area where images are in demand? Stock photography websites are huge repositories of photographs, covering almost every possible subject you could imagine. Advises international living. So how does it work? Photographers can upload their images to any one of a number of huge databases, allowing magazine editors, designers, or any organization with a website to buy them. And the beauty of stock websites. Photos can be sold any number of times, so you can continue to make money without any effort. Photography sites to check out include Shutterstock and Getty Images. Create how-to videos. In recent years, YouTube has grown into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides, says International Living. Instructors can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password-protecting content for paying customers only. Get to know the phrases that people search for. To find potential search phrases, start typing "how-to" into YouTube's search bar and notice what phrases are generated in the autofill dropdown. Make sure to use the same keywords when you write your video title, description, and tags. Become a copywriter. Want to earn a great income no matter where you live? A house by the sea in Latin America, an historic European city, or even on a Greek island? Copywriting could be ideal for you. According to International Living, copywriting is a mega industry, ripe with opportunity and yearning for people who can fuel it with fresh marketing messages. And one of the best benefits of the freelance copywriter's lifestyle is that you can get paid in US dollars, yet live virtually anywhere in the world. Express Writers has tips on how to become a copywriter and is also a resource for jobs. Teach English. If you're a native English speaker, you may not realize it, but you already have the #1 qualification you need for a fun, portable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world, says International Living. Some resources include Gooverseas.com, Teachaway, teach English online to Chinese students, iTutor Group, teach English online to Taiwanese children and adults, and English Hunt, teach English on the phone to adult students in Korea. Turn your interests into a podcast that pays. Podcasting doesn't have to be complicated, says International Living. With a microphone, laptop, and free recording software, you'll be up and running. Plus, podcasts don't need to run every day. Once a week is best, and are better when they're short. There are a number of ways to make money from a podcast. The most obvious is commercial sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform to advertise your own products or services. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.